Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the corrupt download on Steam or the corrupt content files. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to run Steam as administrator. So your antivirus software or the Windows Defender may interrupt the process of updating or downloading an app on Steam, so it's more likely to happen if Steam is installed on the same drive that houses your operating system. So the best way to avoid this is to run Steam as administrator, which will prevent your security software from blocking Steam client processing. So to run Steam as administrator, just simply type Steam in Windows search. Just right click onto the Steam icon and then select Run as Administrator. And then if running Steam as Administrator fixes a problem, set the app to always run as Administrator. And then for the next solution, what you can try to do is to run Repair folder in Steam. So Steam offers a helpful utility for repairing corrupt Steam directories. Repairing them may also fix the corrupt disk error you're experiencing, so just follow the steps right here to perform the repair. So first, just launch the Steam and then navigate to the Steam menu in the top left corner and then just simply select the settings. So it is this part right here, and then just navigate to the Downloads tab in the settings window and click the Steam library folder. So it is this one, and then after that, just select the drive that contains the game where the error is occurring and click onto the three horizontal dots next to the drive and then click on to the repair folder, and then that should do the trick. And if this solution didn't help, what you can do next is to clear the download cache in the Steam. So Steam's download cache saves information about active downloads and updates until game files are copied to the final destination. So if a game is not downloading or updated correctly after an interruption, you can clear the download cache to rule out the cache as a possible culprit. So to clear the download cache, just launch the Steam client again and click onto the Steam menu on the upper left corner of the screen, and then just choose the settings from the drop down menu and click the settings in the panel and select downloads from select the Downloads tab and click the Clear Download Cache from the options, or click the Download Cache from the button, and then after that, click onto the OK to confirm, and you may need to sign in again. So do that and then try updating or downloading the game again. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.